Thomas Alva Edison, a name synonymous with innovation, was born on February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio. He would go on to become one of the most prolific inventors in history, holding over 1,000 patents. Early life and education. Edison's formal education was brief, lasting only a few months. However, his insatiable curiosity and thirst for knowledge led him to educate himself through extensive reading. His mother, a former teacher, played a crucial role in nurturing his intellectual development. Early career. In his early years, Edison worked as a newsboy on the Grand Trunk Railway. He even started his own newspaper, the Grand Trunk Herald. This experience sparked his interest in telegraphy, a burgeoning technology at the time. Inventor extraordinaire. Edison's career as an inventor took off in the 1870s. He established his first laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey, which became a hub of innovation. Some of his most significant inventions include the phonograph. This groundbreaking invention allowed for the recording and playback of sound, revolutionizing the entertainment industry. The incandescent light bulb. Edison's persistent efforts led to the development of a practical and long-lasting electric light bulb, illuminating homes and cities around the world. The motion picture camera. Edison's experiments with motion pictures laid the foundation for the film industry. The electric power system. Edison's direct current (DC) power system provided electricity to homes and businesses, transforming the way people lived and worked. Business acumen. Edison was not only a brilliant inventor but also a shrewd businessman. He founded the Edison Electric Light Company, which later merged with other companies to form General Electric. He also established the Edison Phonograph Company, which eventually became Thomas A. Edison, Inc. Later years and legacy. In his later years, Edison continued to innovate, focusing on advancements in storage batteries and other technologies. He passed away on October 18, 1931, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire generations. Edison's impact on the world is immeasurable. His inventions transformed society, making life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. He embodied the spirit of innovation and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, inspiring countless others to follow in his footsteps. Books and resources. The Diary and Sundry Observations of Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, a biography, by Neil Baldwin. Edison, Inventing the Century, by Neil Baldwin. The Papers of Thomas A. Edison. Documentaries and films. Thomas Edison, 1940. The Thomas Edison Story, 1964. Edison, The Wizard of Light, 1998. The Men Who Built America, 2012. Thomas Edison's remarkable life and achievements continue to inspire innovation and progress. Thanks for watching.